Welcome, basketball fans. I'm here to share a tale about the unstoppable force that is Monroe High basketball. Nestled on the south side of Albany, Georgia, the boys and girls teams are gearing up for a season unlike any other. Now imagine the Ponderosa, their home court, where every game feels like a storm brewing. The Tornadoes, their fierce mascot, embody the spirit of this team, relentless, powerful, and ready to sweep through any challenge. They spent countless hours studying their opponents, fine-tuning their strategies, and building a golden sisterhood that's unbreakable. So, as the season unfolds, keep your eyes on Monroe High. Watch as they bring the storm, embodying the fierce spirit of the tornado. They are ready to make history, and they want you to be a part of it.
I'm popping out a new cut, hungry to do something. We just had a game plan, how you gon' make the new one? They ain't gon' be outside, we go around towards some. Come through like tornado, ain't actually let me do it.
Pulls up, three-pointer.